So you guys can see right there. Yeah, Cathie Wood ARK ETF has sold $90 million worth of Coinbase shares amid slew of analyst upgrades. So who's right? Who's wrong? Did she sell at the top or did she sell at the bottom? Because apparently from CoinDesk, they're trying to say that someone is going to be right and someone's going to be wrong. Let's talk about it. This article came out on the 19th of February, 2024. So here it is. ARK Invest sold nearly 500,000 shares of Coinbase Global worth $90 million on Friday, as Coinbase witnessed a slew of analyst upgrades after its fourth quarter results beat Wall Street expectations. Well, hold on. This is where the value, this is where profit is going to be made. Okay. You have Cathie over here selling her position in Coinbase. I'm not saying that she sold all, but she did sell some, $90 million worth. But then you got other Wall Street analysts upgrading their price targets. Who will be right? The chart will be right. The chart has never lost a battle because the market is the decider as to whether or not Cathie was right or these Wall Street analysts was right. ARK is one of the largest institutional backers of Coinbase. After the results, KBW upgraded the stock to market perform from underperform and raised its price target to $160 from $93. Wait, hold up. Why did they have a price target of $60? Because Coinbase wasn't trading at $60 until June of last year. Like, can we get a little bit quicker analysis price targets from these Wall Street analysts? They should have revised their price target way before today or whenever Coinbase released their fourth quarter earnings. They upgraded to 160. The markets are at 173. Like, so what's the point? It doesn't make any sense for them to do price targets. Are they looking for the market to go down too? Analysts at Wedbush, Canaccord Genuity, and JMP Securities increased its price target. But what's the point of having a price target that is below where current market prices is? That don't make any sense. Unless you're looking for price to go down. So then what's the point of you telling readers that you increase your price target for what it was previously? Because if they increase, and I'm talking about Wedbush, Canaccord Genuity, and JMP, if they increase their price target and the market is, their price target is below the current price of Coinbase, what's the point? This article is kind of misleading because it's trying to say to us, why did Cathie sell if analysts have increased their price targets? Apparently that should be a positive thing. It's not positive if their price target originally was so low, $60, and they just merely increased it to 160, but then looking at the market value of Coinbase is at 167.25. So come on, how does this benefit us? It doesn't. That's why I pay attention to the price. The price is giving you the most relevant, most current idea of the market, not these people. No. KBW, thank you for upgrading your price target, but how does it benefit me today, right now, when the market in Coinbase is definitely trading well above your price target? It's ridiculous. Now you can see that on Friday, the 16th of February, look at this. Here it is right here. Friday the 16th of February. This is what the article goes into, saying that Cathie sold that stock, Coinbase, on Friday. Did she sell at the top? Oh, I think we caught the person who pushed down the price in Coinbase. Cathie Wood. See the one that sold on that day. Look at the volume. Thank you, Cathie. You left your footprint off of the price chart, because normally we don't know who's pushing these stocks, who's moving, who's selling. But off of the article, in correlation with the price chart of Coinbase, we can merge the two together and say, all right, we know who sold at least on Friday. And it was Cathie. And it's not by coincidence that she sold. Because what happened the last time Coinbase was trading around $190? What happened? Right here. Back in December. Went straight down. She sold at the prior high. She's not crazy. This is how the game is meant to be played. We talked about Coinbase on the 13th, I guess, looking for the market to go up. We didn't run it all the way up to this 190, but I do think I mentioned it. So congratulations to you if you was able to win off of that particular movement. Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of this sell zone. Let's get rid of that one. Let's get rid of this one. Let's create a new sell zone, because it's right here now. Okay. Cathie created that sell zone for us, and we appreciate her work. So now we know that this is where she may sell again. Let's take a look at Coinbase on the 2. You guys can see that we do have an indicator of weakness into the market in Coinbase right there, an up fake. Got to be careful when you see that. Here it is on the 3. Did see some selling occur over the prior 3 days. Here it is on the 5. Definitely can see selling hitting the market in Coinbase right now. So it may not be a sell, may not be. So our attention needs to focus on where should price go in order to hold the buyers, the momentum of us looking for price to go higher. Okay, that's what we're going to try to do. So let's look at this on the 330-minute chart. So you can see we're currently trending down. I really want to pay attention to this bar right here. So let's hold that. Let's look at this on the 30-minute. Okay, so that really don't help us out neither. I can see a buy zone right here. For Coinbase. I want to see if that's a buy zone. Okay, so this is probably where the analysts who upgraded Coinbase price bought, right down there around 160. And then we're going to make this sell zone in Coinbase. Let's look at this on the daily chart now. Okay, so what do you guys think? I definitely think the market in Coinbase is overextended. I think it went up too fast. So we really need to see how low the market's going to go in Coinbase before we try to drop another price prediction. So we may have to play this on 330-minute chart. In Coinbase. So I'm going to put a little bit of weakness on the 330-minute chart. Now, this is not going to be a long-term view into Coinbase, but I definitely want us to pay attention to see how weak the market is in Coinbase. Okay, I really want to pay attention to this area for Coinbase. So let's do that. Bring back on 330-minute chart. We're going to drop a price prediction. Looking for Coinbase to go lower. I really want to pay attention to this zone here though. If the market holds this zone, then that's going to be the low. And we're going to see the market try to run up to these first two sell zones up here around 180 to like 190. Okay. So let's do a price prediction. Looking for the market to go down. So my first target is anywhere within this sell zone up here at the top. I mean, this buy zone right here. It could be at the high of this buy zone or at the low or in between. That's 8% move at the low. My second target is going to be down there around like 137, which is around 18% move to the downside. Okay, and we're going to look for that to continue to play out either until we see the market break 190 to the upside or price hits one of these two targets at the bottom. Okay, so again, this is on the 330-minute chart. And that's it. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.